going to look at preparing your lawnmower ready for the cutting season. Open up the air filter housing, push down on the two lugs, just pull this cover forward and remove the air filter. And you can see there's a little bit of dust where the spiders have been in there. You can blow it out with a can of compressed air or a compressor if you've got one. If your filter's beyond saving, as it were, new air filters are readily available from our parts department. Pull off the spark plug cap from the spark plug and remove the spark plug by rotating it anti-clockwise. If the spark plug is particularly black and fouled, then there's a good chance you may need to replace the spark plug, or certainly give it a good clean with a soft wire brush. Check the oil level. Now ideally we'd take this opportunity to give it an oil change. So what we're going to do is remove the engine oil. Tip the lawnmower onto its side, and as you can see, with a suitable container I could drain the oil out of the machine. And now we're ready to top up the engine oil. It's well worth completely draining the fuel tank, as much fuel out as you can, by pouring it into a suitable container before we move on to the carburetor. Drain the rest of the fuel system. To do that, we need to remove a plug from the carburetor float bowl, which is located here on the right front hand side of the lawnmower. And turn it anti-clockwise, and we can unscrew it. And any fuel that's in the fuel system or the carburetor float bowl will drip out onto your rag. At this point we would refill the machine with petrol. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and happy gardening.